I've seen many questions. Watu wanauliza nani anajenga nyumba kwa barabara. I just want to clarify. These are not houses. These are temporary holding structures. We are trying to protect the working environment, our working area, and also the motorists. Because as you realize, we want to build what I say is a viaduct. It requires heavy machinery. The viaduct connects from Valley Road. At the end of Valley Road, then is connected to Kenyatta Avenue. So currently, this is a section of Kenyatta Avenue that we are hosting the viaduct. Through traffic will not be interacting at the junctions. So you are going to find that the gridlock is going to be reduced. There are no conflicting traffic. You realize that this is an active, very busy area, and we need to have very reliable protection.